Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro I, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. So here in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now just click to install this application. So after that just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see the temperature of our device battery. That's 35.8 degrees. And also here we got another information about our device battery level, like health, capacity, and more other info like the model, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.